everybody. Miss P here, checking in for one last time. This is our last video, which means it signifies the very last week of school, and your grades and everything are going to be finalized this week. But more so, this video is to just say I am very proud of your success throughout this semester. You were thrown into a very difficult situation, and to see your perseverance and resiliency through all of this is a testament to all of your character. It is with a heavy heart that I make this video, but I wish you the best of luck in the next steps of your journey. I know you're all going to do amazing at whatever you set your mind to. My hope is that I'm still able to see you before that next step starts. So hopefully that is at some form of a graduation event. Maybe you're still going to prom, because I will be chaperoning that, which hopefully we will have it. So hopefully I get to see all of you then. But if I don't, I just want to thank you for the time that we spent together, the time that we spent online. Believe it or not, you teach us probably a lot more than we teach you. So thank you for that, and good luck in everything that you do from here on out. I will go ahead and minimize myself just to give you a little overview of this week, but I did want to leave you with that note. So just so you know, we still have all of the playlists from the weeks prior up here. It is hard to believe that we're in week 9 of these playlists and remote learning, but you did it. You made it through. So congratulations on that. Do take note of the grading update for this week. I do need to have everything in by Thursday at 3 p.m. so that I can have them finalized Thursday evening, and then everything will be sent in on Friday, and then that will be it for the grades. For Tuesday, this is where I am going to leave you with some final thoughts and some final information dealing with energy, and then some problems for you to try. I know it's probably tempting to not want to look at some of these things. However, if you are going into any science, you will be seeing energy, whether you go into biology, chemistry, physics, even math. You're going to have to take science courses. So this will give you at least a little glimpse into what you will definitely 100% see in those classes. So I do still recommend that you take a look at this stuff, try some of those problems, so you know a little bit of the foundation going into those courses. So that'll be kind of Tuesday and Wednesday. And then I do hope that you do send me an email in regards to Thursday's, well, we'll call it an assignment. I would just like you to reflect on your time. How has this course, or really any of your schooling, kind of prepared you for your next step? So just kind of reflect on that. I hope to hear from you, and then maybe we could kind of reconnect that way, which I'm really hoping to do before we kind of roll into summer. So that's really all that you're going to have for this week. Newt is still here. He says hello. He's still going strong. So let me go ahead and maximize myself. All right, there we go. Again, thank you for this semester. I enjoyed getting to know all of you. I wish we had a little bit more time face-to-face, but again, kind of what I said at the beginning, what we've done is for the good of our whole community. So if this is what we have to do, then this is what we have to do. But it's still a little sad that I don't get to see you face to face, but at least we have a virtual connection. Hope to hear from you via email. Even if you just want to send me an email saying, hey, these are what are my summer plans, this is what I'm up to. I would love to hear from you before you go off into the summer, and congratulations on making it through these last 4 years, and good luck in everything that you pursue here on out. Bye-bye.